Five signs have become things of the past and have proved the truth of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Enveloping by the smoke, inevitable punishment to the Meccans at Badr, the victory of Rome. Violent seizing of the Meccans at Badr and the splitting up of the moon. Al-Hadith Muslim Sharif, book number 39, Hadith number 6721.